Hi everyone, today I wanna show you how to recover data from SD card. Alright, well, if you want to recover your data from SD card, simply you should be first download and install a recovery program. I want to tell you about a free one, Recuva. It's a free recovery program. Okay, so how do we download and install this free program? Simply, guys, go to your Explorer, Internet Explorer browser, type Recuva, as you can see. Don't worry guys about the link, I will put in the description below. Okay, free download. Okay, as you can see, Recuva. Now click download. Okay, wait a moment. Click start the download. If your download not start automatically. Okay, now click run to execute the program and install in your PC. Okay guys, when the program installed in your computer, go to setup exe, double click, yes, okay, and click install. As you can see, please wait, installing Recuva. Okay, finish. Okay, now click Recuva, run Recuva. As you can see, the program will be installed. Okay. Okay, click next. Here you can recover all files, picture, music, documents, video, compressed file, etc. Click next, all file. Okay, here you can select your destination, location you want to recover data from it. Okay, I will select a specific location. Okay, select your specific location. Okay, as example, C, drive C. Okay, next, enable deep scan. Okay, again start, and the program will recover all data. As you can see, when the program finish and recover all your data, select the green one or click here to select all, then start to recover data. Set the location. As example, I will create a new folder named recovered data. Okay, now in the desktop select recovered data. Okay, we want to restore the same drive. This can reduce the chance of recovery. Okay, this is a hint or warning, because I recover the recovered data to same drive. It's safe, more safe to recover in another drive. So if you want a drive C or an external hard disk, I prefer to recover your data to this external hard disk. Okay, yes, the data now will be recovered. Okay, that's it guys. As you can see, the data, all data here will be recovered. That's it guys. You can create or you can recover any drive you want, SD card, any partition, CD drive, or any external USB or hard drive. You can guys switch to advanced mode. Okay, here you can also select your specific drive or local disk drive, like SD card, external hard disk, or another media. Okay, when you select your drive you want to recover that data from it, okay, select. Okay, here as you can see, you can filter the search for your recovered data by click option here. Be sure guys, in the action, check the deep scan, just deep scan. Okay, and press OK. Then when you finish, click scan, and the Recuva program will restore your data, your deleted file. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.